Hello kids, welcome back. Let's start again our new chapter. Today in our grade 5th we'll start with our new chapter, that is chapter number 2 in your textbook, Feelings and Senses. Okay, this is first part of our second chapter. Before this, which chapter we have finished? Okay, we have finished very interesting, breathing deeply. In that chapter, we have completed total 4 parts with exercise. Done, na? Okay. So, today we will see about this one chapter, feelings and senses. Okay. So, let's see what all things we are going to see in this chapter. We will see first introduction part. Okay. And then we will start with our first topic, that is likes and dislikes. Okay, in that you have fun activity also which I have sended you for today's homework, and you will do this activity with your parent or your siblings, your brother, sister, anyone at your home. Okay, you will write about your like and dislike here, and your partner, whatever partner you choose, so you will write about their likes and dislikes. Okay, then what else we will see here? So we will see how family affect in our likes and dislike. Okay, then we will see how traditions changes or affect our likes and dislikes. Okay, then we will see how occupation affect in our likes and dislikes, and how mood also affect our like and dislike. Okay, then we will also see in this chapter about sensing things, and we have talked about our likes and dislikes, so that also determined by sensing, and so we will see this one is very interesting topic. Okay, sensing thing, how we sense different things. Then we will see next topic, that is physically challenged people. Okay, so you have seen so many people who achieve very big goal in their life, and they are physically challenged, handicapped, or lost their some of organ from their childhood, from birth, or when they grown up. So in this physically challenged people topic, kids, you will learn about a new thing, that is braille script. Okay, you can see here, you can see one picture also here, and so this type of braille script is developed for blind people by the scientist named as Louis Braille. He was also a blind, but not from the birth. Okay, so when he was playing with knives, when he was small like you, so he was not listening to his parents. Okay, and keep on playing all the time with sharp things or whatever he is getting at home. So suddenly what happened, that Louis Braille was playing with two knives, and he was scrolling them in air. They both knife came and fall into his eyes, prick into his eye, so he became blind. है So he faced many problems while studying, and that is why he has developed this braille script for blind people. How the blind people can use it? So they read it by touching these dots, okay, and they learn the alphabets. After this, we will see about some special people. Okay, you can see here picture of Helen Keller, है ना, then Stephen Hawking, same way few more also there, है ना. So you will learn about those special people who were physically challenged from their childhood or at some young age, then also they have achieved a great success in their life, है ना. They haven't accepted defeat, है ना. They haven't lose their hope, but they got success in their life. Okay, so very inspiring chapter. Correct na? So we will start with this chapter. Okay. So kids, in today's part 1, we will first see about introduction, then we'll start with our topic likes and dislikes, and in that we will see how family and tradition affect or play role in our likes and dislikes. Okay? So kids, see your friend Saina, what she's saying. So she's saying that Saina is saying, my brother Rohan and I love to eat halwa, but he likes it with nuts while I don't. Okay, both of them love eating halwa, but his brother likes with nuts, but Saina doesn't like nuts in halwa. He likes to eat bindi, but I don't like its taste at all. We have the same sense organs, but we have different preferences. Okay, preferences means what? Different choices. Okay, we all are having all five sense organs, and eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin, and same for all, but still our like and dislike is different. You can compare with your family members also. And just like if I like blue color, my brother loves red. Okay, so the likes and dislikes are different. Some of your family member love eating non-veg food item, and some might not be touching or looking at it. And so our likes and dislikes or our preferences, our choices are different. And so we all have feelings, emotions, likes and dislikes. Now kids, what is the difference between feelings and emotions? We'll see here. Okay, they differ from person to person. Okay, they are mostly determined by our exposure. Okay, how we open ourselves to other. Exposure means what? How we keep ourselves open to others, so other also can understand about our likes, feelings, emotions, dislikes. Okay, experiences and the environment in which we live. Okay. Okay, so our feelings and emotion, kids, as I said, feelings means what? Feelings means whatever you feel with your sense organs. Getting sense organs, है ना? You sometimes you have heard your parents or someone saying he has no feelings, है ना? So that feelings means what? He is not feeling guilty about his mistake. He is not feeling happy in someone's happiness, है ना? So that you consider as feelings, but that is actually emotions. Getting kids, है ना? The expressions we say, you have seen emojis in WhatsApp and all, and different faces, sad face, happy face, dancing face, crying face. Okay, so these all are called our emotions. Getting kids, happiness, sadness. Okay, so that laughter, cries, these all we show, that is called our emotion. Okay, so that emotions we feel by our sense organ. So that is the difference between feelings and emotions. Okay, so we have different feelings, emotion, likes and dislike. Okay, they differ from person to person, and these are mostly determined, means what? Mostly understood by or decided by our exposure, how we open ourselves to other, how we behave in our surrounding, and experiences. Our it also depend on our experiences. Sometimes we buy one fruit by just looking at it, look, है ना? Okay, and then we taste it and we don't like it. So our experience, we have eaten that food and we have seen that it is not so tasty as it is looking, है ना? So that will change our like and dislike. Okay, and the environment in which we live, है ना. So the in the environment which where we are living, so that also affect on our like and dislike. Getting kids, है ना. So if we are living in very cold region, so our likes and dislike will be different, eating habits will be different, है ना. And if we are living in our this one Gujarat moderate temperature area, so our likes and dislikes are different, है ना. So it depends on the environment, exposure and our experiences. Okay. So we'll see our first topic, likes and dislikes, how we have derived them and how we have got such likes and dislikes. So these are different from person to person, okay, and in what all categories. So our like and dislike may be different in food, game, color and so many other things, है ना. Like I love Indian food, okay, or some of you like some Italian food, okay. I love one kind of sport game, okay, and you love another one, okay. So the color, game, these are different from person to person, okay. And these like and dislikes are influenced. Influence means come to us by our family, traditions, mood, occupation, etc. And which we have seen that the topics we are going to learn in this chapter, okay. After this you have activity for this like and dislike. The table I have shown you, again I'll show you here, okay. So you will write your likes and dislike and your partner, as I said, your parent, your siblings, any friend, and you will fill up this table in your today's homework and you will understand that your like and dislike is different, too much of different from your partner, okay. So complete this work nicely. Now kids, if you see in your textbook about family, so you see here a picture of famous musician. You have to identify it. Who is? So Sonu Nigam, he has got the interest in music from his father, है ना. So our family greatly influences on our likes and dislike, okay. What they are saying, for example, children from a family of musician usually show interest in music. Why? Because they listen to a lot of music at home and develop a liking for it, okay. A family of fishermen is used to smell of fish as it is surrounded by it right from the childhood, okay. When they were very small children, so from that time only they have taken the smell of fishes and all the aquatic animals which we are taking as our food, okay. So they don't feel it bad, but the another person may not like that smell, है ना, smell of fishes and all. What Saina wants to know here, kids? Saina wants to know from you that do you share any likes and dislike with your parents? What they are, write them in your notebook, also given in your homework, and so you have to discuss with your parent, write your like and dislike and your parents like and dislike, okay, and then note down them in your notebook. So kids, we have seen about family, how family affects in our likes and dislike, okay. You might have the example here for actors too, है ना. Like the famous actor Jackie Shroff, his child, his son, which one? A famous hero nowadays, okay, Tiger Shroff. So he learned acting and developed interest in acting from his father itself, getting, है ना. So same way Shraddha Kapoor and so many other actors, you know, so many other singers, dancers you see, so they have developed the liking for it from their family itself, and one or other family, their parents, their grandparents or some of their relative are there in that their trend है ना. So from that they have developed the interest in such field. Okay, so that we have seen. Now next is about traditions. Okay, how tradition affect our likes and dislike. So what they are saying, cultural and religious beliefs also influence our preferences है ना. Our preferences means our choices. Okay, so culture you know, our Indian culture has a vast diversity है ना. Punjabi have different culture. Okay, then Gujaratis have different culture, South Indians have different culture regarding to their food, their clothing, their lifestyle, their festival. Okay, so they have different culture and different religious है ना. Our India is having even all the religions also, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai है ना, Christians. So they are different religious. So that cultural and religious beliefs, okay, that also greatly influence in our likes and dislike. Okay, like here the example is given as vegetarians may not like the smell of fish or meat, but non-vegetarians find it very aromatic, means they love the smell. Okay, so you have might experience this thing if you are vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So both of these you might have experienced, and either you have felt it very bad smell or you have find it very aromatic smell है ना. So that also the food, whatever area we are living, so that food we are eating, okay, so that is related to our culture, and that culture and religious belief comes to our tradition. What are traditions, kids? Traditions are the rules or rituals which we are following from our grandparents or their grandparents time है ना. They have given us that rituals. ओके, जो रीत हमें सिखाई है वो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, उनके पेरेंट्स ने, सो वो हम अभी भी फॉलो करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक यू हैव द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ डिफरेंट ट्रेडिशंस ऑफ मैरिज है ना. इवन इन हिंदूज डिफरेंट कास्ट हैव डिफरेंट ट्रेंड्स ऑफ देयर मैरिज है ना. दे फॉलो डिफरेंट ट्रेडिशन, इन डिफरेंट वे दे आर डूइंग मैरिज है ना. तो that is called tradition. We are following it from very earlier time, our very grand or great parents. Getting, kids? Okay, then what else is said here? Smell of onion, garlic, flowers, spices है ना. So smell of onion and garlic might be liked by some people very much, but some people who are not eating them, it will be very pungent है ना, मतलब तीखा. Okay, very pungent for them. And even flowers, you have experience of that flowers and some spices है ना. So flower smell, some flower smell your friend or your brother likes a lot. Color of that flower is liked by your friend or brother very much, but you don't like it. Smell of some spices, okay, Punjabi spices are liked by Punjabis, but South Indian people might not like the same spices. Getting, kids? So that way the tradition affect greatly on our likes and dislikes. Got, kids? Same thing is explained here. See, kids, here you can see this lady, okay, find very unaromatic, very bad smell of this garlic, but some people like it very much है ना. So Gujaratis, what they saying, Gujaratis love the smell of curry leaves. They add it to most dishes they make. Okay, they are adding these curry leaves to most of the dishes they are making, but some people may not like it. Getting? Same way we have discussed about onion, garlic है ना. So it will be pungent for some people, but some people who are eating, so they will like it very much. It will release their smell and taste. Okay, means they will love the smell. Getting, kids? है ना? So tradition affect greatly on our likes and dislike. Now Saina wants to know what here. She wants to know. She's saying you to write two smells that you like and dislike. So you will write about smell of two things which you like and smell of two things which you dislike. Okay, kids, I'm sharing you some pictures related to tradition, different tradition. Okay, so just see them. And here we are ending with our today's topic. Okay, I have already discussed you about homework. This one question, okay, you have to write about your like and dislike which you are sharing with your parents. Okay, and you will fill up that table. Okay, now next topics we'll see in our next video. Bye, see you soon.